Little Wriggler, play and learn.
Hold on.
I am holding on.
You are holding on. Good, right. Now, what are we gonna do first?
Wash hands.
What you do first?
It's cold.
Nice.
It's cold.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, now rinse. Okay, shake, and turn off the tap. We're gonna move over here.
So I don't get some mess.
You ready?
Mama, what's that called?
Okay, Ollie,
What is the flour? What is that?
that's sugar.
No
Okay?
flour.
No, we're not using flour in today's recipe. So today we're going to be making peanut butter cookies. It's actually a really simple recipe. So our ingredients are peanut butter,
Peanut butter.
1 egg, 1 large egg,
What?
and sugar.
No.
All right?
No.
This is the sugar.
It needs to be flour.
Oh no, we actually are not using flour in this recipe.
Why?
It's quite interesting
Flour
actually.
is for cookies.
I've never made cookies without flour before.
Have
So we're
peanut butter instead.
we have peanut butter instead.
Flourless peanut butter cookies.
Yes, they are flourless peanut butter cookies. What we have to do here, we have to mix the castor sugar with the peanut butter and the egg. Oh, and we're actually going to do something a bit fun with this one. Yeah, so we're actually going to add some. Yeah, we're actually going to add some M&Ms on the cookies and see how that turns out. So now, can you mix?
No, it's fire and
All right, you want to try one? Do you like it? This is your mixing spoon.
It's quite long handle.
It is quite a long handle. So I'm going to spoon this in and you mix it up. Can we do that?
Oh, I want a spoon to mix the sugar up on this side. Then you put it, and then I mix it up again.
Okay.
Ooh, look at that sugar. This is called mixing. Now put it in.
Now Dada's going to help you.
I can do it again.
Okay, you're holding on.
You go very fast. That goes very fast.
He does.
You go too slow.
Oh, did I go too slow?
Yeah.
Well, Dada is stronger. Is your arm tired, Ollie? They're tired.
No, that is it.
We now need to add a 1/4 teaspoon salt.
Hey, egg!
Oh yes, of course, we have to add the egg. Now, can you add the egg in?
Now mix it up. Now it's all gooey.
Yes.
It's all gooey now. I can't see the egg.
You can't see it anymore because it's all mixed in. Now we're going to roll it up into little balls.
Roll up?
Yeah, the size of cherry tomatoes, and put them on these baking parchments.
But then they will get all gooey.
Well, yes, they are quite gooey. But then we'll bake them and then they'll get all crunchy. They have to be the size of tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, you know? Exactly, like the kind that you like to eat.
Yeah. Boing.
You don't bounce it.
You don't know.
No, it's not that kind of ball. All right, now roll this into a ball.
Boing.